Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk about mini importation of your products. Mini importation, you importing from different countries in small quantities, not necessarily importing a whole container or something. No, you can start mini importation with as little as 500 Ghana cedis. Yes, of course, you can start your mini importation business with at least 500 Ghana cedis, okay, or even 300 Ghana cedi. I've seen someone who started her mini importation with only 300 Ghana cedis. So let's get into the video. Of course, if you are new on this channel, click on the subscribe button, that red button that you click it, yeah, punch it, yeah, thank you, and also click on the like button of this video, of course, and let's get into the video. So basically, how mini importation works is that you need to get those countries that you want to import from. You need to know which country that you want to start importing from, okay? Let's say you are importing from China. There is an app. Of course, you can get somebody already who is in China and the person can buy the product and ship it to you, or you can buy directly from the suppliers in China through an app. Okay, you have to study the app and know how to use it, and you buy product from them and they will ship it directly to your location, either Ghana or Nigeria or which other country, any other country that you are in. You can start as little as 500 Ghana cedis. If you are in Ghana, you can start importing items from China. Okay, another country that you can actually start importing from is Turkey. You can start importing items, let's say fashion items, the clothes. You can start importing sandals. You can start importing a whole lot from Turkey. Let's say we the Muslims, we do import Turkey wares and all that, exactly the same as Egypt and Dubai. Yeah, mostly we do the importation from Egypt, Dubai, Turkey, China, Nigeria. We those in Ghana, we do import from Nigeria also. So yes, so the importation delivery are basically done through shipping or through cargo or through flights. That is how the deliveries are done. So for you to start the importation business, you need to know the country that you want to start importing from, as I mentioned earlier on. If you are certain with the particular country that you want to start importing from, then you need to get the product, the pictures of those products, and start advertising. When you get the pictures of those products, you put the prices on them, and you have to take notes. You have to tell your customers that the shipping fee is not inclusive if you don't know the shipping fee yet. But then if you are certain about the shipping fee, then you include your shipping fee and also include your profit on them before you start advertising on your social media. Before you start advertising on your social media handles, before you start advertising on all your pages. Okay, so if you are good on this, if you are always watching my videos on this channel, you know that I actually encourage you creating pages to advertise your product, whatever business that you are on. Create a page. Yes, create a page. So you have to start advertising on your social media handles and all your pages. Okay, so you include the shipping fee, include your profit to it. But if you are not certain about the shipping fee yet, you just include a little profit to the products, okay, that will be coming, and you indicate, you tell them that shipping fee is not included. As and when the shipping fee comes, then you divide it into the customers. You divide it and then let the customers know this is the amount of shipping fee you are going to be paying. Okay, so yes, you can, like the China importation, like that, you can start advertising your product that you'll be buying from China. There are a lot of importation groups that you can join and then get tutorials on how to import from China. You can get tutorials on how to import from Egypt, from Dubai, from Turkey. Okay, and yes, also from Nigeria. I also buy a lot of things from my Nigeria suppliers. If you're in Ghana and you want contacts of those suppliers, how to get through to them and how to do it, we are organizing an importation class Yes, for those of us in Ghana, you can join. Please give me a comment and then link me up on my Facebook account. Okay, just give me a comment that you want to chat with me on Facebook, then we can get going from then. Okay, yes, that is how to start a mini importation business. Just get a little of capital. Even if you don't have capital, you can start the mini importation business. Of course, get your customers to pay to you and then use that money to import those items. Okay, and then when it comes, then you give it to your customers. And that is how mini importation business is done. Thank you so much for watching this short video. If you like to hear or know about any other business, how to make money in Ghana, how to make any business, please comment below which video you want me to make next. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.